Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Greg. I'm going to go over Bitcoin and explain some things here. Coming FOMO wave. It's taking a little bit longer than I expected for this FOMO wave to come along. But here's the deal, guys. Here's the deal. By the way, drop a like, hit the subscribe button. Here is the deal. I know I have a small amount of followers. Well, guess what? I'm gonna let you know something. I'm one of these guys like, yeah, I'll send you $150 of USDT if you follow me and retweet, right? And then what do? Then they end up trying to sell you something. Get a bunch of followers, sell them. Yeah, marketers, guys. It's not my style. It's not my style. But if you want to help me, I can click on that link. Go to Mex C, guys. If you want to get coins like Nexa or Caspa, and they have a good choice of coins over there, guys. Mex C's pretty good. So I use it. You know, remember, not your keys, not your coins, guys. So be careful of any exchanges. Coming FOMO wave, I put this a long time ago. I don't know, July or August or something like that. I'm going to explain to you. Bitcoin breaks 33K. 33K, guys. If Bitcoin breaks 33K, it is going to accelerate up. That's right. If Bitcoin breaks 33K, it is going to accelerate up like that. So, but then you want to know, well, Greg, the S&P 500 is going to crash like a rock because everybody on Twitter says so. Don't think so, guys. I just don't think so. They've been saying it's going to crash like a rock right here. Remember that, guys? Let's go to this right here. Right here. Went down, but went back up. And here we are again, guys. It's going to crash like a rock, right? Here it is. All the way back down there, guys. You could make this and turn this into a triangle, etc., etc. Okay, guys? So usually what a better thing is to do. So I think that you have a nice 3, 3, a 3. It went through a long correction right here, guys. A flat move. It could be A, B, and it's going up for a C. Okay? Now, if you're looking at this S&P 500 and you're trying to suss it out, there are a couple ways you can do that. I've showed this on Twitter before, is you can use what's called the equal weight. S&P 500 equal weight ETF. So the S&P 500 has higher weight for different assets on there. Who, you know, whichever big assets in there as an example, they give more weight to that one. Well, this one just makes equal weight. And so this is going to do a similar pattern as the regular old S&P 500, the SPX. So this is the RSPs, what the ticker is. This is the SPX, or this is the RSP, and the other one's the SPX. And you can clearly see, to validate my correct way of looking at the S&P 500, is that it came down in a 3-wave swing. It went up into a 3-wave swing and came down in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one made a nice flat. Okay. Up into a wave. Came over here, corrected. And now it's off into a nice wave, and it's correcting that wave. Probably kind of like right over here, up into a wave, and it's correcting that wave. And here's the interesting thing about the equal weight S&P 500 is that over here, and then the flat came back over here, did what it's supposed to do, and correct that whole cycle, guys, all the way over there. So the S&P equal weight is either an A, B, and then it's going up for a C, or it could be in 1, 2, 3. Okay. If this is 1, 2, 3, it's extremely bullish, guys. I don't think it's going to be that. It could be. That C wave can extend as far as a 3rd wave. Typically doesn't do it in traditional finance, traditional markets like this, but in cryptocurrencies, it happens often. So just don't know yet. Just don't know yet, guys. But I think between this asset and this one, it's going to be up and to the right. So that's going to affect Bitcoin, right? So Bitcoin over here, guys, I'm going over to Bitcoin real quick with you. 28.4 is that I decided to put a trend up there, and it could be into some type of ascending triangle, guys. So just have to see how this plays out. It did touch it there, touch. It could come back down here, right? So let's say it ended there, came back like A, maybe B, C, D, E. Maybe it's going to be in there for a while, but it'd be nice. It came back down here, came back down to this trend line, and you got to move like that, yeah, and correct that cycle back down here, right? And then it could get out of there, boom, or up in this way, up this way, back down, maybe up a little bit more again, back down, and then get out of there. Ascending triangles, on the breakout, the traders on the breakout traders, once it breaks, does a back test, and they'll get in, and you'll see it, especially if you see the RSI down a lot lower, guys. Now onto the higher time frame on Bitcoin. I've gone over this before, guys, and this is the BLX, okay, the Brave New Coin Liquid Index for Bitcoin. And here's the thing. I did this on, this is gold chart. And you can see here that the gold chart corrected all the way down here into the monthly. This is a monthly chart, guys. This is a monthly chart. So this can really, really run in this fifth wave. It could have a FOMO fifth wave, guys, on gold over here. Okay. So, who knows where this could go? There's going to be higher end price targets, but reasonably right now is 2,500. Can you get to $3,000? It could, guys. It very well could. It's just going to depend. But I just find it interesting that gold is going into this fifth wave. Okay, gold's going in this fifth wave. Take a look at Bitcoin on a weekly chart, and you have a good shot that Bitcoin could be going into a fifth wave. Okay, if this is a fifth wave, you have a good, it's going to break that high probably, or get near that high, or just break that high, guys. If you take a look at gold, it follows gold pretty close with Bitcoin, guys, right here. So this is the general area where it came down, had that bad wick. Okay, this is the March 2020 crash. It went back up, right? Into this area, it did come down a little bit, like right here. Okay, and it went back up again to this area. Okay, it's about January, it looks like about January, February 22, about the same time that Bitcoin peaked, and it came down, did a correction. And, October 22, same general area with Bitcoin bottom, November, and now it's off. It's off and out of there, guys. So seems to be a little bit of a correlation to Bitcoin right here, guys. So, the other thing is, if this is a wave 1, 2, and that's a nice second wave, guys. That wick on the weekly chart that went all the way back down there to about 19,000, according to this chart, 19,750, second wave wick, kind of like that wick right there, guys. And then it could be in the process of making a wave right there like this. You see that area? You got like a little bit of wicks over there, kind of like this area right here. So, you could say like this area, or even right there. Look at that right there, guys. You see that? You see those wicks just like that? Boom. Here, I'll show you right here. Right there, kind of looks like right there, same thing. And then it could get out of there. And then these are going to be the targets, guys. Here's the reality of it, okay? Bitcoin hits logarithmic, don't take it, go like that. Bitcoin hits logarithmic numbers, guys, time and time and time again. Don't believe me? Go back and check it, and you'll see it time and time again. If this is a wave 1, 2, then your target is going to be from here and up to there, from 43,000 and as high as about $72,000, guys. Okay. If Bitcoin breaks 33,000 and holds it, it will accelerate up here, in my opinion. It will accelerate there. So as I posted on Twitter, if it does do that, it will accelerate up there. You will have a bunch of FOMO. The FOMO in the wave over here, okay, you can see the FOMO doesn't start until there, right? In that wave, okay? So they saw this area, right? Here's the area. So here's your first area. Think about this. You got an area right here, right? There's the area right there. From there to there, people were waiting for that to get broken, right? And it broke it. So it's above it. So now you have this area right here. Bitcoin can get above that area. It's going to break it. By that time, above 30 is like going to be 33 for me is the number. And then it's going to be here. Okay. Checking these areas. Here's this area, this area. So come back over here. So you got this area right here. Okay. Shorts. Shorts were in, right? They're like, oh yeah, look at we're winning. Boom. And it came back up. Now you got this area, right? Okay. And then they're like, oh, shorts. And it came down. Oh yeah, we're winning. And then boom, it came off. You see? So what the deal is, guys, is you want the no profit blues, the capos, and whoever else is out there saying that they're going short, you want them to keep doing that. They're going to keep doing that, guys. It's going to be a repeat over here, right over here. Okay, I'll show you something right here. This area right there, boom, and then this area once again, boom. It's going to be a repeat more than likely, guys. Shorts, and you want them to keep doing that because above 33K, in my opinion, that's when they're going to start reversing, and then the FOMO will begin. Even more so than this, guys, in my opinion. Okay, so you have a good shot. You have a good shot that this could end up, you know, by the end of the year. This could be done by the end of the year, guys. It really could. So depends on how fast and furious Bitcoin is going to go. So if you made it all the way to the end, do me a huge favor, drop a like, hit the subscribe button. Peace.